Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a huge beauty haul. These are some new launches and things that I purchased, and it's a collective haul because recently during the Nykaa sale, I bought a couple of things. So that haul will be coming later. But these were some essentials that I purchased around one and a half month back. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started. I'll link all of these items in the description box below. Let's start off with this package. This one was from Nykaa. I wanted the Clinique Moisture Surge so bad because my skin needed it, so I finally ordered. Luckily that time they were having the Diwali sale, and during that time I bought it. So I got it at a great deal. I got the pack of 2 at 30% or 25% off. Got the pack of 2 at 30% or 25% off, something like that. And I got the 30 ml one. This was the cheapest one, as per the offer. So I got the Clinique Moisture Surge. I've already started using it. It's always there in my recommendation. I love this so much. So I got these two, and with that, because it was the Diwali sale, I got this 2 pouch free. These pouches are so beautiful, guys. I'm so glad that I got this deal because मेरे को 20% off या 30% off भी मिल गया, and साथ में इतना अच्छा सा pouch भी मिल गया. So first is this bigger pouch, and it's a very nice lilac color, and inside you have a smaller pouch as well. So yeah, I can store in a lot of my essentials, etc. in this. So we've got that. So this was my first purchase. Two things are these perfumes which I got gifted. So first I have the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello. I love this scent. I have actually kept them in boxes for this video. Now I'll finally get rid of the boxes. I haven't even used them. This is my second bottle of the Vanilla Caramello. It's the perfect Sol de Janeiro dupe perfume. I love these perfumes by Plum. This is the first one that I got, and the second one that I got is the Moonkiss Drama. This is their recent launch, and I loved it. I won't say it's a dupe of the Cheriosa 59 from Sol de Janeiro, but it is really good. Look at the packaging also, guys. So this one, okay, smells so good. It's quite strong, but I love it. I love both of these. These are like my everyday, घर पे पहनने वाले perfumes. So love these. Then we have so many more products as well, which I purchased recently. So let me start off with this random thing. This is the Insight Cosmetics Peptide Infused Lip Oil. Everybody's talking about peptide infused thing, and I've got so many things with peptide. I wanted to try this lip oil out because the packaging was also pretty cute. This, okay, by the way, was for just 240 rupees, but I think I paid 170 rupees. This is how the packaging is. It's actually quite good, I was surprised by the lip oil. I'll just swatch it for you. This is how the shade is. It's a beautiful lip oil. Smells a little weird, but I really liked it. I mean, for the price, it's pretty good, and you guys can check it out. I just got it to try it out, and it's pretty decent. I mean, I don't mind using it on a regular basis. So this is the first thing. And I got it mixed. I think few items I got from Amazon, few from Nykaa. So I'll put the links accordingly. Then of course I purchased my Dove body wash. Out of body wash, and I wanted something that will last me throughout the winter. So I picked up the Relaxing Care huge giant body wash. Pretty good and decent. With that, I also got the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This is the brown sugar and coconut variant. I've used it. I love it. I cannot emphasize much more on these Dove body scrubs. These are the perfect way to exfoliate your skin, and paired it with the body wash, it's just perfect. So I got this one. Then I think on Nykaa, I also got this YSL sample free. It's their Eau de Parfum for men. I don't know, I haven't even opened it, but I got this as free. Then I got 2 shampoos. So I was using the Olaplex shampoo. The review for the Olaplex one will come pretty soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. But I got 2 of these shampoos because I wanted them in, I just wanted an affordable shampoo. So I got the L'Oreal Dream Length one. I've used it before. This is a very good shampoo, to be honest. It's pretty good quality as well. And I also got the recent launch from Dove, which is the Glycolic Hydration Shampoo. So I bought these 2 shampoos to keep it. It's not only me who uses, I also have my grandmom using it and my mother using it sometimes. So that's the reason I keep 2 shampoos. So I got this one. Then I purchased these 2 things from M Caffeine because I really wanted a new body lotion. I was using, I think, Chemist at Play body lotion. So I picked up these 2 because I love anything vanilla. The only scent that I want to smell myself as is vanilla. So I picked up the M Caffeine Vanilla Dream Serum Body Lotion and the M Caffeine Deep Moisturizing Body Butter in Vanilla. Guys, this is so good. I don't know why people are not talking about it. It's a very nice vanilla bean flavor scented body serum lotion. This is super lightweight, absorbs quickly, quite hydrating, and this body butter is again equally good. Smells so good. I love these. Caffeine, okay, I know some of the products are not the best, but this one is really good, so try it out. We got another freebie from Nykaa. I don't know why this time they gave me a couple of freebies. I got this Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Illuminating Skin Perfecting Day Cream. It came in really pretty packaging, and by the way, this is for 1200 rupees. Yeah, so I don't know why I got it as a freebie, but it was just added in my cart automatically. Maybe it was a promotion or something from Nykaa. So yeah, I have used this cream before, by the way, guys, but long time back, probably like 3-4 years back. Smells the same, and it's with like saffron, kesar and all. So let's see. I haven't tried out Kama Ayurveda products recently, but I'm excited. I mean, might as well use it. Got this as a freebie. Moving on, I have some of my current favorite products that I purchased recently and I am fallen in love with them. Let's start with Aqualogica. So from Aqualogica, I picked up a few things and I got a freebie as well. First of all, I wanted a face wash. I was out of face washes, I don't know why. So first I got the Aqualogica Detan Plus Mousse Hydrating Foaming Face Wash. This is such a good face wash. I've been using it for the last 3 weeks now. So I love it. It's a beautiful face wash. You guys can get the mousse one if you really like that texture. Then I got the Aqualogica 5 Barrier Plus Repair Gentle Cleanser, Cream Cleanser. Again, a really good cleanser. I love this cleanser a lot. And yeah, pick this one up. Then this was a new launch and I was contemplating, Yato, should I get this gentle one, barrier one, or should I get the illuminating one? But I ended up getting their Illuminate Plus Milk Fluid Moisturizer. Guys, packaging is on point, but the product is so freaking good. I love this product a lot. Definitely recommend. I want to try all of the other variants as well. Aqualogica nailed it with this popsicle sort of a milk moisturizer. It's a fluid based moisturizer, but I love this so much. I will be reviewing it pretty soon. With all of these, I got a freebie. It was on Nykaa, so I got their 5+ barrier sunscreen as free, which was great. And I love this sunscreen. This sunscreen is so good. I've been using it as my face and body sunscreen. It's hydrating, it's beautiful. They just nailed it with their barrier range. And I would tell you guys, Aqualogica Barrier Plus range is way better than Dot & Key one. I mean, yeah. So I got this. Now the last one is Hyphen. I've been loving Kriti Sanan's Hyphen brand, and whenever they have a new launch, I'm the first one to buy. So first I got their Power Peptide Cocktail Serum. You can clearly see how much I've used it. I love the serum. I will be reviewing it in depth on my shorts, so make sure you're subscribed. Then I got a couple of other things because they launched their Glow range. So I picked up their Golden Hour Glow Moisturizer. I haven't gotten a chance to use it as much, but I did use it 2-3 times and I love it. I love the packaging as well. She just is doing a great job. But now coming to my favorite product, which is the Golden Hour Glow Sunscreen. This is the Golden Hour Glow Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA Quadruple Plus. From the packaging to the texture to the application, it is one of the best sunscreens. I won't call it a tinted sunscreen because they don't promote it like that, but it's got a slight skin tint in it. Beautiful sunscreen. I have been wearing this sunscreen as my base for the last 1 month and I love it. This product is a must-have, guys. And the last product was a restock, which is the Hyphen Yuzu Bright Dark Spot Corrector Serum. This is my 3rd bottle, guys, and this actually works with dark spots. I'm a person who gets dark spots instantly after, a pimple. So this product really works. I love this serum, by the way. I use it in my morning daytime routine. So guys, that was my beauty haul. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.